When we chose Lattice Engines, there was three primary criteria that were important to us as an organization. The first was an organization that was investing in their resources to continue to evolve analytics. The second was the variety of different data points and the richness of all the different big data that they could offer to build better models. And the third was scale. The robust infrastructure that Lattice offered to be able to score 60+ models across our large customer base was not something that we could deliver in our own environment. And we were able to deploy their models and see 3x increases in response rates and 10x increase in the revenue. So why would an organization pick Lattice? First and foremost, it is a very strong software platform for predictive modeling. But I think more importantly and above and beyond that, there are a lot of competitors in the marketplace that offer software that can leverage big data and deliver predictive models to prioritize an audience for an activity that an organization wants to do. In my experience, what really has differentiated Lattice Engines from other organizations out there is their strong understanding of the technology space. And so high tech, given the complexity of the product, given some of the life cycles of how an IT buyer buys IT solutions, they were uniquely positioned to be able to leverage their experience and their customer base to be able to deliver solutions that takes that software platform, but you don't really feel like they're leaving you alone with the software that you install and then they go away. They really work hand in hand with you in terms of designing the strategies and making sure that you're getting quality plays. And so as somebody looking to make an investment in something where they can build very specific, highly targeted, highly successful campaigns, first and foremost to deliver to their sales organization, but I can tell you in my experience in working with Lattice Engines, we've been able to use those models for much broader applications around personalization, around direct marketing, and really taking it to the next level. And that's really what differentiates them. You have the quality software, there's teams of people that are building that product, but that support, that coverage that you get from the leadership team and the customer service people is what differentiates them for me.